If your muscles like this, you've definitely come to the right video. If you watch this video, your muscles will be like this.
Stop. You're doing it wrong. You're swinging so hard. You can hurt your shoulders and back, not your biceps.
So what's the correct way then?
The correct way is this. Take a lighter weight. Keep your back straight, fix your elbows close to your body, and lift the dumbbell upward by...
Again, the same mistake. Such heavy dumbbells will damage your shoulders. You're putting pressure on your spinal cord. Look at this. Sit on the bench to support your back. Lift a lighter weight and press it straight up over your shoulders. Keep control while bringing it down.
Swinging. Arching the back. It's wrong. So what's the correct way then?
Back straight, controlled movement. That's right.
Remember, to become a hero in the gym, it's not about lifting heavy weights, it's about using the right technique. Form over weight, always. See you next time.